Hello everyone. Today we will be seeing how a non-inverting amplifier works. The non-inverting amplifier, as the name suggests, amplifies and does not inverts the input signal. It's based on an operational amplifier, 741 IC, and just like our previous video on the inverting amplifier. The circuit is simple: an op-amp, resistors, and a function generator. So in the circuit, connect the pin 7 to positive terminal of VCC, which is equal to 15 volts. Connect the pin 4 to negative terminal of VCC. Connect pin 6 to input pin 2 with feedback resistor in between, and connect the pin 2 with a resistor to ground. Connect pin 3 to function generator. Here I'm keeping amplitude as 2 volts with 1 kHz frequency. Observe the blue waveform, our input signal at 2 volts. Now take a look at the green waveform, the non-inverted output, amplified to 6 volts, but in your case it will around 4 volts as it depends on the gain of amplifier. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel.